How to use apple cider vinegar for skin conditions. It is well known that skin health comes from within. The buildup of toxins in the body prevents the liver and other organs from working efficiently. A congested liver can result in a hormone imbalance, constipation, and digestive problems. When toxins build up because the normal elimination organs cannot handle the load, the body will try to excrete them via the skin. Itching, rashes, and other skin disorders are the body's reaction to accumulated excess toxins. The benefits of detoxification. Drinking apple cider vinegar will support the liver in the detoxing process to cleanse the body. This will improve circulation, purify the blood, and relieve constipation by more efficiently removing waste from the body. Until the liver is cleansed and the balance restored, the effectiveness of topical applications to skin disorders will be minimal. This is of particular importance to sufferers of hormonal acne and candida. Apple cider vinegar can be taken both orally and also used as a topical medication to treat many skin conditions. However, the cider vinegar must be unpasteurized, unfiltered, and ideally with the mother still intact. Unlike the pasteurized variety, this raw vinegar still contains all the rich natural goodness. It is full of healthy bacteria, protein, acetic acid, and amazing enzymes. One of the health benefits of drinking apple cider vinegar is the ability it has to detoxify the body. There is no specific dose for taking apple cider vinegar, but common doses range from 1 to 2 teaspoons to 1 to 2 tablespoons in a glass of water or fruit juice, preferably taken before meals. It can also be used in cooking or salad dressings. Using as a dressing, without the application of heat, is an healthy and tasty way to consume apple cider vinegar, without making it seem like a medicine. There are many different skin disorders, and many can be helped with applying apple cider vinegar. These include acne, pimples, rashes, hives, and warts. Facial skin toner and topical medication. Here is a recipe for an economical and very effective skin toner that not only replaces your expensive store-bought facial toner, but is also a topical medication for many skin ailments. Combine 1 part raw apple cider vinegar with 2 parts of distilled or filtered water, that's it. Apply to skin. Fermented raw apple cider vinegar has lots of pectin, calcium, and is fortified with even more beneficial enzymes and acids. So applying this mixture after cleansing your face not only tones the skin but will improve skin conditions such pimples, acne, and acne scars. It has also been found to lighten sun and age spots. Is this video being helpful? Then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Topical application for other skin ailments. 1. Warts. Warts are a viral growth on the skin that can be treated with apple cider vinegar. Apply the vinegar to the warts each night and cover them with a band-aid. Leave uncovered during the day. Repeat this every day and results will be seen in about a week or a little longer. 2. Sunburn. A cupful of apple cider vinegar added to your bath will neutralize the burn and soothe the sunburn. 3. Rashes and itches. Yeast infections, hives, skin rashes, and itchy skin can all be relieved by the addition of apple cider vinegar in the bath. Containing antiseptic and antibacterial properties, apple cider vinegar is very beneficial as a topical medication when dealing with skin infections and conditions like eczema, dermatitis, and psoriasis. As emphasized above, all skin disorders have their origin from within. Apple cider vinegar taken orally improves liver function, keeps the gut healthy, and benefits overall health, while topical applications soothe and help to heal the skin itself. We thank you so much for watching. If you've liked the video, give it a thumb up, don't forget to share with your friends and subscribe to our channel.